trailer pa lang, what I want to know is, for the leads, what made you accept itong pitch na to? What drew you to the script, to the story?
Ako kasi ang dami ko na nagawang rom-com pero ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na ma-predict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya eh. So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-plan ng mag-reunion kami ng tatlo. Talagang pinag-usapan na namin. And then, I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch ng pagka-sulat ni Direk ng movie clues. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes this special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Feeling ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Block Z. But this one, Mirabella ko nga pala. Yan na yan yung kulay ko.
Tama.
Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So.
Okay, so Julia, you're on a roll ha. Sunod-sunod yung maganda. And ang galing nung sa trailer pa lang. So, since Metro Manila Film Fest to, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre for Best Actress!
Of course.
O, tingin nyo, direct.
Ano naman?
May
Sobrang
laban.
kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direk?
Oo.
You know what? I don't know. I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobrang ko silang dalawang iniidolo.
Yeah,
So
of course.
even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakadyahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year, and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun. Grateful naman ako with this alone. Yeah.
And of course, would you say ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino, alam mo?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You showed yung isa sa best performances mo. Hopefully.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering
Si
this.
Direk.
Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Miss Ana Cereza of ABS-CBN. Up next, we have Jeff Fernando of Daily Tribune.
Good afternoon. Okay. First question ko pa para naman kay Direk Jason Paul. Direk, unang question is, bakit po Japan ang napili nating venue para dito sa story?
Okay, this is my second time to shoot a film in Japan. Meron kasing tinatawag na, meron film commission yung isang prefecture doon, ang tawag ay Saga Prefecture Film Commission, na naging acquainted ako nung first kaming nag-shoot ni Julia ng film sa Japan in between navies. So, yung mga taga-tao doon, they were asking if I could apply again. So, ako since, di ba, we really fell in love with the place. So, syempre, grab ko yung opportunity para makagawa ulit ng pelikula doon. And ayan, sinubmit ko to sa kanila. It went through a process na, dati kasi parang kahit sino mag-apply, binibigyan nila ng grant, tinutulungan nila. Pero ngayon competitive na, meron ng screening process. And nagustuhan siya ng mga Japanese counterpart namin. And ayun, ginawa namin siya sa Japan.
Okay, direct follow-up question ko po sa inyo rin. Hindi ito yung first project nyo kasama yung actors na sila Carlo at saka si Julia. Ano po ang nyo? Nakita nyo sa kanilang as actors maturity dito sa project na ito kumpara sa mga nauna?
Well, wala naman akong conscious decision na parang gawin sa una. Basta every time na nakakatrabaho kami, we just really put our best sa ginagawa namin. And then, it will be up to the people to judge kung maganda siya or hindi. Pero kami, we are confident na we give our best sa lahat ng projects na ginagawa.
Okay, thank you very much po and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Jeff Fernando of Daily.
Since you have a superpower dito sa movie na to, in real life ba, gusto mo ba ng same superpower? O any superpower na gusto mo magkaroon ka?
Maybe not this one. Kasi it really makes makes you a very guarded person and it's so isolating. Siguro kung may superpower ako, it would be teleportation. And I think it's mainly because I love to travel, and I don't have that much time. So if I could just, something's going on. So if I could travel for a few hours, teleport, and then ako, wow, that would be such a gift.
And ilang beses ka na nag-shoot sa Japan, right?
Yes.
So, ano pong na-discover mo sa Japan this time? Bago na-discover?
You know what? It's as peaceful. In Japan, we are shooting in this place called Saga and Karatsu, which is a peaceful, quiet, calming place in Japan. So I feel like it's still the same yung first time ko doon, but yung second time, it's really laid back, slow paced, and mas nakaka-focus ka kasi wala masyado talagang distraction, kahit ingay mo lang. So masarap mag-shoot doon.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa movie.
First question ko sa cast na kasi regarding din sa special ability ng character ni Julia. Kasi di ba you can tell parang sa pag-touch pa lang kung magdudulot ng sakit or saya ng isang tao. If ever meron kayong ganun sa inyong dalawa na cast, ano yung mas parang mas gagamitin niyo or mas magiging excited kayo? Yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot ng saya or yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot yung sakit?
Yung mas gusto ko para ang hirap na, no? Paano nga, no? Siguro parang mas gusto kong malaman kung oh my God, ang hirap! Ikaw, Jason, ano nga? Ikaw nagsulat eh. Para kasing okay yung sakit eh, di ba?
Kasi it will protect yourself.
Oo, kaya lang, kaya yung sakit kasi nagagamit mo yun sa future eh, di ba? Para
Ano siya, self-preservation siya, di ba? Parang
Oo.
iwasan mo na masaktan or... Pero syempre, nga, ang hirap ng tanong.
di ba? Ang hirap sagutin na, pwede ba, ewan ko.
Pero ako siguro sakit talaga. Hindi naman ako tinatanong. Pero sakit, parang nasa punto ako ng edad ko na parang sakit yung gusto kong maiwasan. Di ba? Kayo mas bata-bata.
Pwede ba pareho? Hindi ba pwedeng na lang? Hindi, kung pinabibili mo nga ako ng di ba naman ako? Oo, kung malalaman ko na lang kung sasaktan ako siguro.
Okay.
Wala nang explanation kasi ang hirap eh.
And how about you?
Ang theory ko, kapag yung tao, marami nang pinagdaan ng sakit, ayaw na masaktan ulit. Kaya mas pipili niyo yung ability na ma-detect yung sakit. Pero kung hindi ka nasaktan,
Magagamit mo yung sakit na yun in the future para
di ba? Pero,
para mas maging maayos yung tao, para mas
pero actually, matatakal yan sa film. Ni Julia, sabi niya.
Ako, ngayon ano ko na yung brainstorming ko. Baka doon ako mas na-excite ako kapag nagkaroon ako ng feeling na this person is going to be good for me. Kasi given na, to me, parang given na there's good and there's bad. And because now, sometimes the world can be so cruel that it feels so parang siyang breath of fresh air kapag naka-cross paths ka with something or someone good. So, I think when moments like that happen, you value it even more because it's a bit rare these days. So, kung ako mas ma-excite ako pag nakaramdam ako ng magiging okay ka para sa akin. Dito ka lang. Parang gano'n. Yun lang.
Sige, thank you. I think that's what makes this film special kasi yun nga, nagkakaroon na discussion about that.
Good question yun.
So yung sa nag-question ka direct, kasi di ba, I think this is your second time na you'll be making, you made romantic fantasy film. So, kasi di ba meron kayong Love is Blind ba?
Well.
So how was it? Parang ano yung experience doing romantic fantasy compared to other films that, other genre of films that we're doing? Ano yung pagkakaiba nito?
Well, kasi sa filmography ko, dami ko na nagawang romance films din. Parang ako personally as creator, parang gusto ko lang makagawa ng may twist or may something different than the usual. So, even before ito, meron akong romance sci-fi, yung with Jasmine Curtis and Jerome Ponce, yung A Glimpse of Forever. So, ayun, parang this is just my way of trying something new para naman hindi pa ulit-ulit yung ginagawa.
And yung sa Japan ba, parang, kasi parang yung story is somewhat parang same ng manga eh. So is the story was inspired by a manga story or anime story? That's why you picked Japan then as well?
Hindi naman siya directly inspired sa ganun, pero I grew up with those. And Japan has a special place in my heart. So, back when we were doing Between Navies kami ni Julia, parang inaral ko talaga yung mga iba't ibang Japanese philosophies, and I try to apply them sa mga films ko, especially when they're set in Japan. So, the same goes with dito sa Hold Me Close.
Okay, thank you, Ted.